to this Supalight. This is a brand new scooter for us. Just arrived, so if I seem a little bit clumsy folding and unfolding it, please excuse me. This is only the second time I've folded and unfolded this scooter. We're really pleased with it. It's come out really well. Folds up very easily. Remember, this is only my second attempt, so I might fumble a little bit. Seat tucks away underneath. Pull a little handle at the back there to fold the seat down. And then the tiller, the steering column, folds down, secured. And very easy to light. There's to lift. There's a handle at the front and at the back. This only weighs 17 kilos, so again, it's world beating. You can tow it around like a suitcase behind you with the extending handle that folds away. Very agile, very nimble, and great looking, we think, too. Really pleased with this scooter. Dashboard with a digital display, those are the keys. Speed control on the dashboard there, so you can adjust the speed to different speed settings. And adjustable height and steering. So there you go with the Supalight. Well, that's our range of lightweight mobility scooters. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's been informative for you. Please remember that we ship and deliver nationwide, UK, and indeed worldwide. Please email us or telephone for any extra information that you require. Thank you.